Finally put an end of the debate between Ghana and Nigeria and Senegal. I don't want to get flamed, but here we go. Yo, guys, welcome back in today. Today we're out at Dabakh, which is a Senegalese restaurant in Columbus, Ohio. And it's funny because I've actually been here like multiple times, but this is a new location. And at this new location, they've moved, I think maybe a year or so ago. I don't know exactly when they moved, but I used to go to the old location for so long. And it's crazy that I actually never came and did a review on Dabakh yet. But today we have a little war going on because I know how you guys love to talk about Ghanaian and Nigerian jollof is the best. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna come through today and try out some jollof rice from Senegal, which is the home of jollof rice, right? So I'm just gonna not even put the lime on it. I got some jollof, I got some cassava, I got some carrot, I got a little bit of greens on the side. We're just gonna hop in here and see how it tastes real fast so I can just give you guys that flavor, you know what I'm saying, to finally put an end of the debate between Ghana and Nigeria and Senegal. I don't want to get flamed, but here we go. Okay. Okay. So first thing I noticed, very smoky, and it's interesting because as you guys know, I've done Nigerian food, I've done Nigerian jollof, I've done Ghanaian jollof, now I'm doing Senegalese jollof. And the first thing I notice is that I feel like this is in between like spiciness level of Nigerian jollof being like super spicy and then Ghanaian jollof being a little bit more subtle and a little bit more smoky. And I actually think that I love this right here because it has the smokiness, it has the hint of spice, but the hint of spice comes on later in your throat and it keeps building up over and over again. And also I see that they use like a shorter, smaller grain rice. I don't even know if it looks even smaller and shorter than like Ghanaian jollof or the rice that they use. Wow. This is amazing. Okay, I saw wait. I see I have some, I think this is hot sauce on the side. We're gonna go in. I hope it's not too hot, but whatever, I love hot food. Ooh. There's this like hot sauce they have. It sort of reminds me of wasabi in a way. Wow. Wow, guys. That's a point. It has like a smoky. Let me throw some lime on here. I know some of y'all, get the fish jollof and, there's different type of jolloфs, but as you guys know, I don't eat meat, and it's really amazing that I can still have this dish without eating meat, Got some greens right here. Got some greens right here, put it with some jollof a little bit. Wow. So much flavor. I think the greens, I can't tell for sure. I feel like it's okra. And this is that reoccurring theme, I think, in Senegal, where it's like a nice balance of flavors. I think still a tidbit more on the spicy side. With the lime, that go crazy. But a progressive spiciness. A spiciness that you can deal with, tolerate. I mean, I think so. I don't know. Some of y'all is weak when it comes to spice. I'm just gonna keep it real with you. We have some of this famous Senegalese hibiscus drink. I know if you're Senegalese, this might be one of your favorite drinks. If you haven't had it, you need to get to your local Senegalese restaurant, preferably here, if you're in Columbus, Ohio, and you need to get some hibiscus. Especially, it's like 95 today. And last week it was like 100. You need to come get some of this. Sweet taste. Very cool, calm, collective, chilled, perfectedly chilled. Then it has a fullness to it. It has like a red, like ruby red fullness to it. And then at the end, you find a little bit of like sourness and sweetness all together. Yeah, come on, guys. You missing out, for real. Ooh, hibiscus. Hibiscus drink is where it's at in 2025. 2026. We in 2025, I'm saying for 2026 too. Let's go in for some of these cooked carrots. Nice and hearty, cooked perfectly. I'm in a position where I'm trying to get it into my spoon. Cooked perfectly, soft, tender. Man. I feel like Senegalese people cook the best carrots in the world. I'm telling you, man, I have never had a better carrot than from Senegalese. Like, what the heck? What the hecky? Amazing, hold on. The jollof is just taking me everywhere I want to go right now. Senegal, I'm a little jealous. Y'all in Senegal eating this good every day? Like, what the heck? Okay. Got a little cassava. Let me go in with the jollof, see what that's like. The fullness, thicker. It is cassava, so thicker than the carrot by a long shot. Very thick, but filling. Nutrition. Sorry, man, I can't get away from this jollof though with this hot sauce. Wow. But the flavors keep making you come back for more and more and more and more. And that smokiness with the perfectly cooked jollof rice with the hot sauce, the progressive buildup of spice makes you want more and more and more. And you look forward to that kick. A little history. Jollof rice was created by the Wolof people in Senegal. And I think maybe Wolof people could be maybe in surrounding countries of Senegal, I don't know for sure, but in Senegal. And I did a video actually on the Jollof Kingdom or Empire. And so there's a little bit of history on that. The original name is called Thieboudienne. And you might not understand like what's going on because you might go to a restaurant and be like, hey, I want Senegalese jollof. And I'm pretty sure people in there will be like, oh yeah, I know what it is. I'm gonna give it to you. But also, it possibly could be possible you might go to a restaurant and it says Thieboudienne. So I just wanna let you know that Thieboudienne is also the name or the original name for that. Just going for some more okra, greens. At least that's what I think it is. Some jollof and carrot. I used to eat meat. I know you guys don't realize that, but I did used to eat meat. And when I used to eat it with the fish, like if you still eat meat and you eat it with the fish, man, you're gonna go crazy. Like the first couple of bites with the cooked fish is gonna just send you back to Senegal. It's gonna send you back to Senegal. Great environment. The new place, it's taking me a minute to get used to because I'm so used to the older establishment. Nice and clean. The staff is nice. You have space. There's probably over 10 tables in here. And it's just a nice atmosphere. It's a relaxing atmosphere. There's religious things going on right now. Of course, a lot of people in Senegal are Muslim. So You have your traditional Senegalese tradition, and you also have your Islamic tradition that's been in West Africa for a very long time at this point. So yeah, if you guys are ever in Columbus, Ohio, and you want to try the original jollof rice, see how those grains fall off, those little small grains? The original jollof rice, the smoky jollof rice, with a little hint of spice, you gotta come here, man. Won't be disappointed. My Nigerians, my Ghanaians, love y'all, man. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it as I don't know, yeah. I don't know. But this is amazing. Yo, guys, I'm gonna have the description down here. Please come show the owner some love. And like I said, very nice staff, very delicious food. Bring your family, your friends. It's family friendly. It's people friendly. It's friend friendly. First date friendly. Hey, yo, you can come here and bring a date. You know what I'm saying? Maybe, who knows? You might, want to come here and have Senegalese food for your first date. And that would be a great memory. I mean, who wouldn't want to have Senegalese food as their first date memory? It's that good. You know what I'm saying? It's good enough for a first memory. Please like and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification down there so you get all my updates. Add me on all social medias. Until next time, peace to Senegal. One love.
So catch me if I fall.